Okay, here we have the Skuma water system. This doesn't just purify water, this is adding minerals and goodness into your water to suit your particular needs with your water intake. So basically you can pack your own water with essential minerals to meet your own health goals. Systems like this are really popular at the moment. Obviously people drink bottled water for that exact reason. Bottled water, obviously the better bottled waters, can be quite a lot of money. This could be an investment in your drinking water basically, rather than buying bottled water, and obviously keeping things safe from a general tap water perspective. So in the video we're going to unbox it here on the table, see what we get inside the box, go through the instructions, through the setup process, show you how that works, and then we'll actually use it over there on the worktop behind us. So we get things ready here, we'll get it out, check it out and see what's going on. The Skuma water system boasts a compact and stylish design. It measures 25 centimeters wide, 32 centimeters deep, and 40 centimeters in height, making it a seamless fit for most UK countertops. Talking of the UK, this device is made in Britain. It's constructed from durable materials including stainless steel and BPA-free polycarbonate, ensuring both longevity and, most importantly, safety. Setting up the Skuma is straightforward, no plumbing is required. Simply place it on the countertop, fill the 4 litre refillable tank with tap water, and you are ready to go. The system utilises a 3-stage reverse osmosis filtration process. That sounds complicated. And this removes impurities like chlorine, heavy metals, and even microplastics, delivering exceptionally clean water. Not only does it purify the water, Skuma takes it actually a step further by introducing essential minerals through its infusion system. That is a trademark system unique to the Skuma. You can choose from various options such as a hydration boost, an alkaline boost, a vitamin D boost, endurance booster and strength booster, each tailored to specific health benefits. Installing an infusion is really simple. Just insert the bottle into the designated slot, and the system automatically adjusts the mineral content of your water accordingly. Each infusion bottle provides up to 60 litres of enhanced water. Replacements are available through Skuma's subscription service. Additionally, the reintroduction of essential minerals sets it apart, providing water that's not only clean, but it's also optimised for hydration and health. All in one water purifying health machine. In terms of maintenance, the super filter needs replacing once a year, filtering between 750 and 1,100 litres of water. That depends on your tap water hardness. The system also features a maintenance kit for descaling and cleaning, recommended every 5 to 8 weeks, especially in areas with hard water. So in summary, the Skuma water system offers a convenient and efficient way to enhance your hydration. Its advanced filtration, customised mineral intake, and even hot water dispensing make it a versatile device for any kitchen. If you're looking to elevate your water quality and obviously enhance your health goals, Skuma might be an option for you. As I mentioned, this would be an investment. There are offers on currently at the moment with Skuma. If you do miss the Black Friday deals, there are other offers available via Skuma. Okay, so we're all done now with the Skuma water system. It's a top-notch device, really well made, great quality, made in Britain, which is great. This is a really unique system. Something I've not seen before. Purifying your water, adding those minerals in. If you're really into, obviously, making sure your health is top notch, elevating your hydration, which is super important for everyone. Hydration at the end of the day, it can affect your health so much. The Skuma does it all, it's brilliant. I know we didn't cover the hot water dispensing particularly in this video, but you can dispense hot water directly from it for brewing tea, even coffee. Could replace your kettle if required. So yeah, hopefully the video has been informative. If you've liked the video, if you have done, please do give it a thumbs up and give it a like. If not for any reason, give it a thumbs down, give it a dislike. Let me know in the comment section why. Any questions about the setup, any questions about me, the kitchen, anything like that, drop that in the comment section. I'll reply to all questions and comments. If you want to follow the Houston DIY channel for more product reviews, tech reviews, giveaways, and much more, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you on the next one.